What sailcloth did you use, Norm?
Here you go.
What sailcloth?
It's 4-ounce Dacron.
Here, Heather, what's this one?
Sweetness!
There's really nothing in here.
That's the point.
Go. Go. All the way.
Don't hit me. Triangle. Shannon. Heather's back. Ow! Ah, shade. There is a lot of wind. I just realized that.
And you just like
You have to watch yourself.
Don't hit me.
All right. I had another line here. It's this one right here.
on a duck.
Whee!
On a duck.
I just
do
said,
that.
whee! It is a pulley. One of the 6 simple machines.
Isn't there 7?
Another 6. Ha ha ha. Are you guys gonna like watch this after?
Seeing as it'll be in the water, I don't think we can wash it.
Watch it.
Oh, watch it? Yeah. They're gonna sail out of here and then we're gonna go down to Pavilion and we're gonna watch them come through the canal.
Try
No, I meant
mouth of
when
the
I'm
thing.
recording.
Yeah. I don't know, be more specific next time.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's okay.
Cool.
Ooh.
So how long did that take us? 20 minutes?
It went down.
Off the mooring in less than 10 minutes.
Beauties.
Just
So we want to
slow
motor
down.
out of here, right?
I think that's the best idea.
All right.
You to get a good feel for the sails.
Yeah.
Daddy, should I just let this go?
Yep. Oh, she's not going to go on our maiden voyage. That's right. You
not
guys have to go
allowed
off to work.
Well, I'm not allowed to because Mom's being too overprotective. No, Mom's being too overprotective. Dad said I could go.
Don't hit me again.
We'll be able to straighten them out pretty easily.
Shit, I don't need your
Watching motor.
No, that's why I'm dropping the motor right now, hon.
Dad, look at all the ropes.
What?
Yeah, I'm gonna start getting.
Yeah.
Right. Daddy, look at Mark.
I'm not going to take the sails down.
Who's that? Who's that?
Mark.
They may get in the way a little bit.
You mean the
All
kid
right,
in the
now,
motorboat?
this one, it's not fastened.
This
It's,
is the
right,
boat.
it's just right there.
Oh. That is a motor named Honda.
But we still don't have the name.
We have the name.
Just don't have it on.
What's the name then? Shannon. What is the name?
Elizabeth Ann.
Why?
Elizabeth Ann.
Elizabeth, Heather Ann, Elizabeth.
Because the Shannon Heather would be kind of weird.
Yeah. I'm the Pamela. My mom wouldn't let her name is that.
Does it have a cabin?
Yep. Yeah, but it's kind of hard.
Can't see anything. Nothing?
Hey, you want to go on?
What?
You want to go on?
Sure.
Why can't I come?
Because your mom won't let you. That's basically why.
No, my mom won't.
Correct. Well, mostly up. Let's put it that way.
11:37.
11:37. Jeez.
I'll have to be at Market Basket at noon.
I got a job.
You did? With what?
Where?
For what? Who?
Hey, Shannon? Shannon?
Dude with a camera.
not my sister. You are. Take a picture with Mark. Give me your little brother.
Person. The back of Shannon's head. Person. Shannon.
Person.
Her necklace. Shannon. This is Shannon.
Yo, blink.
All right?
Yeah, like it's so totally blinged.
You need to untie me.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. It's untied. It's not even close to being untied.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
That line. Just toss it. Just toss it.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, Dad. Have fun.
Goodbye, person.
Careful of the mooring.
I need this.
Okay.
Bye, Daddy. Ha, they beat you.
Dad, wave.
Wow, Dad, you're going really fast.
Bye.
The Elizabeth N.
Yep.
Yeah, jealous.
2008. 2 years. Wow. Careful of that big building. Thank you.
Yo.